Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project, a Facebook Live craft workshop project to share with you. This is the kitty album and side folding case. You can see we've got a lovely recess here, and I've decorated my project in papers from the Warm Wishes collection by Graphic 45, and then dropped in 2022 in red sparkly fun foam to give it a real festive feel. I love this collection. It worked really well on the project. So we've got a lovely box. It's 9.5 inches by 7.5 inches, 3 inches deep, with a split section that opens out, and the album sits inside. So I've used 12 by 12 papers to decorate the box with, and then if we take the album out, we can have a look through that. So I always do simple covers on my projects. I've just used the ephemera cards and 8 by 8 papers, a bit of 12 by 12, and that lovely red script on the front, and then just carried the same paper from here around on the side. Added some little black dots with glossy accents and a couple of strips of the red sparkly fun foam to finish off my album cover. And then it's a mirrored album. I love making these because it's a really economical way of using paper. So we have got the inside covers have large pockets on them that lift up. Options, there's always options if you come and join one of my classes on things to add depending on what it is that you want to put in your project. So optional pockets can be added to these lift up flaps, and then both pages have got a nice deep pocket for photos, and also photos can be placed onto the pocket front as well. So I've just got some ephemera cards here. And then pages 1 and 8 are banded, and they've got a slide band, and then the photo mats open out sideways, nice deep pocket at the back, and an area to put photos in the centre as well. And we've got a little pocket option here, and it just closes really easily with that nice slider. And then the same on page 8. So fun little page. Doesn't want to slide. Come on. And then we've got page 2 and page 7. You can leave it completely plain if you want to, or you can add a lift up photo holder, create a pocket at the back to pop things in. So nice options. And then pages 3 and 6 are flip out pages, held closed with a magnet. I love that. Nice photo holder here. I've used one of the journaling cards that I thought coordinated really well with the papers. Beautiful paper. And then inside we've got 2 nice areas for smaller photos. Again, we'll be adding pockets to those in the class. And then we've got a nice acetate pocket that you can push lots into if you want to, rather than layering or placing pictures onto pages. And you can get quite a lot in the pocket. So that closes up. So you'll notice I've used the same papers for each of the sections, and that way you just have more paper left at the end out of your pad, rather than cutting into lots of different pieces, and it just gives you a nice feel to the book as well. And then in the centre we have got 2 nice side opening pocket pages with lovely pull out photo mats and a pocket area for extra photo mats as well, so you could put quite a few in there. And that is it. That is our little album. So this little album is 7 inches high by 8.5 inches wide, and it fits very neatly in its little case. So if you'd like to join the class, we will be making the project in our next Facebook Live craft workshop, so delivered through Facebook Live. I'll put the link to the project and the class below. We've also got a class shopping list. I'll put the link to that below as well. If you're new to my Facebook Live classes, anybody can join, whether you're new to crafting or experienced in crafting. It's a great way to learn lots and lots of techniques. I'll take you through how to assemble boxes, if you've not done that before, with my signature black construction tape, and how to create 3D projects and fabulous albums. You'll find information on the class through the link below. If you can't make the live class date, as soon as the lives have passed, you can access the workshop at any time, and once you've purchased it, you have got access forever. So I hope you can join me. I hope you like the project. I hope I've inspired you to craft with these gorgeous papers. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then you'll be kept up to date with new projects and products as they come out. Thanks for watching.